Our 2023 Speaker of the Year award goes to Jared Scott. For over a decade, Jared Scott has been traveling the world speaking and inspiring young people. During his high school years, there was a suicide epidemic in his hometown of Midland, Texas. This is when he formulated his message of hope, rooted in mental health. Jared has an uncanny gift of infusing hip-hop music within his presentations, which allows him to connect with any and every audience.
I don't have patience, all of it's fake when I walk in this place with a mask on my face and I can't escape it, I can't erase it, so I'ma embrace it, I'm not gonna take it off for y'all.
Jared has been featured on countless news outlets, various articles, and has successful programs within schools across America. Jared has built an amazing speaking career alongside his beautiful wife and business partner, Mackenzie. In addition to Jared's personal success in speaking, he has also served as a mentor to many speakers within the Next Level Speakers Academy. So far, Jared has spoken in over 1,000 schools. In the last 12 months, Jared has spoken over 150 times, has impacted over 6.5 million lives.
I love you, Jared! I love you too, brother, man. He's full of love. I feel the love.
Jared Scott, our Next Level Speaker of the Year.